Speed pot. Psych! I thought. Come on! Hey guys, Snifflecraft here. Yo guys, what is up? It's Rosecraft here. Today we're going to be starting a new series called the Skywars Tryharding series. So basically all I'm going to do in this series is try hard in Skywars. It's basically the series name. So I'm going to play 5 games of Skywars each round, and I really want to know which Skywars mode you would like to see me play. Solo normal, solo insane, or ranked. So just let me know in the comments below. And also I'm going to try to, every single round I play, I want to try to switch my kits so that you could see how I play Skywars with different kits and not just one. So I'll see you guys in the first game. So for the first round, I will be using Kit Ecologist, and that's normally meant for rushing spawn immediately, you know, to get the really good juicy loot. Exactly. See what I mean, guys? Look at that. 2 chest plates, like, off the bat, bro. That's, like, so lit, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get this chest. Wow. Wow. We are just getting... Oh, my God. Oh, that's juicy. Wow. That's a... Okay, I see someone. Hopefully we can assist this kill. Someone's behind me. Someone's probably behind me. Haha, surprise, bro. I need that sword. That sword does a lot of damage. Alright, okay, thank you for that. I think... Wait, where did his sword... Okay. Oh. Hopefully... Okay, I can put this stuff on without getting killed. And... Is there... Oh, yeah, there you are, bro. See? You guys don't want to be like a noob like her. She's still stuck at her island. Okay, you really don't know how to snowball, do you? Okay, I guess... Okay, you're gonna drop your sword? Okay, alright. I see you. Okay. Is there anyone on this half? Okay, there's 3 players left. And my mouth is slobbering like crazy. Oh my... Oh my god, I hate being sick. Alright, so... I will actually be changing my upload days, or the days I upload, from Wednesday to Wednesdays and Mondays. So, oh, it's a trap, isn't it? Oh, I tried. All right, okay, so. Alright, he's mining up. Or he's doing something. Yo, I got Kit Ecologist, bro. Okay, he's gappling up, isn't he? He's right there, isn't he? He's right there. Oh. Please, where is he? Oh! Come on, dude, just die. Oh, he's trying the unbelievable. Oh, he's gonna hit me off. Oh my god, he's so low. Come on, thank you. What a long game. Oh my god. So that's the first game, and we're gonna hop into the second game ASAP. So we did join the second game, and I'm gonna go for Ecologist again. Okay. I mean, I'm not that... Okay, but except this time with Ecologist, I'm gonna go for a different playing approach. Instead of rushing spawn immediately, I'm going to try to eliminate all the people next to me first, and then go for spawn. So, let's loot my chests. Alright, yummy loot. Okay, I think this guy's glitching. Yeah, you're glitching. Wait, what? Where are you? Okay, so we got that nice iron chest plate, and you know, might as well just get those cool. What? What is that noise? Who's bridging? Alright, I'm scared. I'm scared. Bless me. Okay. Alright, let's just quickly just bridge up here. Make sure you crouch while bridging up, because these guys are gonna see you. Yep, he heard me, didn't he? Oh, we got him off guard. What? How did he not take any? Oh my lord. Okay, well, he just came up behind me. So we're gonna hop into the second game and I will make sure to pick a different kit. Alright, so I'll actually go, you know, we can go with kit. Oh, 2 seconds. Scout. Okay, Scout. So Scout gives you 3 speed potions, which is actually really useful for all of those people who egg at the last second. Okay. Oh, wow. Well played, bro. Oh, well done. He's really low, though. That's why I want to kill him. Oh, wow. Hey, nicely played. Oh! Wow. Jeez. So there's someone up there. Oh, my. So, oh! I'm low. This is when I use my speed pot. Haha. Speed pot. Psych! I thought. Come on! So in this one, I will be choosing kit Energix. Energix is actually really good in the PvP, because strength gives basically like multiplies the damage you do by like 1,000. Not really 1,000, but hopefully that guy's gonna snowball me off, right? Okay. I'm actually trying to practice how to ninja bridge, which is like, okay, come on. Wow, dude, these people are comboing me. Whoa. I really just want to win like maybe 2 out of 5 games. So I chose Kit Frog in this game. Hopefully since this is our last game, we can end this on a really good note. And great, I don't need any of this armor. What does a frog's head do? Okay, that guy's watching me. Oh, no! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god! Freaking cold. Ugh. So, I mean, that's what sucks about being cold, and I meant not being cold. That's what happens when you're sick and you play Skywars. So don't play Skywars when you're sick, cause it sucks, dude. What is that guy doing? He has 4 block wide. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this Skywars Tryharding series. I will try to not be sick next time, because I just lost a game by falling off and sneezing. So that was really stupid. But if you guys want to see more episodes of this, please hit the like button down below and subscribe for more content on Hypixel. And I'll see you guys all later.